Joe Bioty, and I'm president of API. And I've been with API now for 16 years, originally coming here back in 2003. You know, I began working at a very young age. Actually, I was 11 years old. My family had a home adjacent to a milk farm. And at 11 years old, my mother, who was really the boss of the family, told me that I need to go out and get a job. She said, go next door to the farm and see whether or not they'd hire you on. And I did. It was a cow farm. So I was delivering milk every day of the week to homes in a neighborhood, all of our neighborhoods, with this farmer. Right out of college, I joined the General Electric Company and spent 20 years primarily throughout the General Electric Company in the motor business. And during the course of my career, I met Cam Lau, who we were purchasing product from API at the time. And he and I actually began a friendship back in 2001. And during that time, he said to me that if I ever decided I'd like to go out and help him grow this business, grow his company, to come over. And so in 2003, I decided to partner with him. And that partnership has been a 16-year endeavor, quite successfully. So in 2003, when I joined API, API was a small company, much smaller than we are today. The reason I joined API is because I could see the entrepreneurism in Dr. Lau, as well as I having the entrepreneurism and that spirit. And what I wanted to do was help bring to API what I considered the key elements of success, and that is building process into a company. We had the technology, but we didn't have the process. Process from manufacturing to sales and marketing. API needed that work to be performed. And I felt that I was most suited to help Cam and this business build that process. My mom has been my inspiration my entire life. You know, she has always been one that's carried the axe, so to speak, that she's always been the one with the stiff upper lip, always been the real hard driver. And she taught me all of that hard work and ethics in dealing with business to her dying day. She died at 99 years old, and I remember her 99th year, she told me, have you learned something, or asked the question, have you learned something new today? That was her philosophy. What have you done different today, or what have you learned today that can build you better for tomorrow? And so I've carried that same philosophy in my life as I've moved forward throughout industry in my career. What have we learned today, and how can we improve ourselves tomorrow? And that's what I try to bring here to API.